Ni hao. Alright, dude. Back on the MT-07. Oh, f. Maybe I should do a walk around. Yeah, dude, here it is. I just actually took it in for the first service. It's a good looking bike. Let's go this way. What are you doing, dude? What's going on, doggy?
Are we gonna go ride or what?
Yeah, dude, say hello to the camera.
Oh shit, what up?
You're on fucking Spin City, dog.
When are you gonna get me doing a highway wheelie past you guys?
Dude, you pop nooners?
Huh?
You pop nooners?
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, let's go right.
Alright, dude.
That's safe.
Always.
Doing a wheelie down here.
Yeah, I love wheelies. Oh, fuck, is that bird poop on my... Did I really get shit on? Oh, I got shit on. Oh my gosh. I really just got shit on, dude. This is the worst day of my life, dude. I see a little dollop of bird poo. Of poo on my visor. That's whack. It's knick-knack paddywhack. So last MotoVlog, I kind of just threw it out there. Like, I had a motorcycle. And it was like... When did you get that? And it was like, I've had this thing for like 2 months, I think. Ooh, and she's crispy now that I got that first service done, dude. So, probably thinking, why did you get a motorcycle, Ben B? You already have a Mustangi. And it's very simple, dude. I was peer pressured into buying a motorcycle. Just kidding, I wasn't peer pressured. But there was outside influence from people that had motorcycles. Plus a little bit of like wanting to, you know, that kind of thing, you know. It's so much more fun than my car. Like, it's fun to, you know, roll around in the Mustang and then be a jackass in it. But first of all, that thing's loud as fuck. I can't take it anywhere without, you know, just waking someone up, or how do I explain it? The car's just fucking loud. Another reason I got the motorcycle is because I pay 50 bucks a week in gas for the Mustang. I don't know if you guys know, but $50, that's a lot of cheddar for gas. I think I pay like $6 like every time I fill up, and it's like, what? 56 bucks, 56 bucks. Yeah, and I got some parts in the mail, so I get to put those on. We'll make videos about that. All right, so you live in California. I don't know what it is for other states or countries. You want to buy a motorcycle? That's great. What do you do? What are the steps? What's the process? How do I get my license? It's very simple. I'm gonna lay it down for you. So first step, number one, you have to ask yourself, do you really want to get on a motorcycle? Why do you want to get on a motorcycle? So that goes hand in hand. Do you just want to go 150 down the highway? Maybe you shouldn't get on a motorcycle. Maybe learn how to ride first. Nice. All right, number two, you've asked yourself why you want the motorcycle. Now we can move on to the next question. What kind of bike do you want? Do you want a sport bike? Do you want a cruiser? Do you want a cafe racer? Do you want a trike? No, you don't want a trike, because that's whack. You want a naked sport bike like Ben B. You want to fucking rip dank nooners on public streets. What's up, dog? All right, whatever. Okay, so you found out what kind of bike you want. Now we're going, and that'll kind of determine how you're gonna ride. Anyways, you gotta look at insurance, dude. You gotta get a picture of what the financial situation you're gonna get yourself into is. Now you can go to the DMV and take your written test to get your permit. And that allows you to ride motorcycles on the street while you have your permit. You're not allowed to ride at night. You're not allowed to go on the freeway. You're not allowed to have a passenger. So what does that mean? It means exactly what I just said. And you're probably thinking, well, that's knick-knack paddywhack. And yeah, that is knick-knack paddywhack. So you went to the DMV. You got your permit. Congratulations. You're now a baby squid. You are now legally permitted to ride on the streets of California. California. I'm the governor. Okay, what's the next step in the process, right? The next step in the process, go get your motorcycle. The one you picked out, dude. Like this Naked Sport Bike by Yamaha. So go out and get your bike, dude. Do your thing. And then you can take your bike to the DMV. And then you can get your license after taking the DMV driving test, which I do not recommend because there's an easier way. It is taking the MSF course, and I did a video about this. We talked about the MSF course, which is the Motorcycle Safety Foundation course put on by the California Highway Patrol. What the hell is going on here? In the California. That's so fun to say. So I did the written test first, then I took the MSF course, which lets me bypass the DMV course, or the DMV test, because it's not a course. So the MSF course is a 2-day class. If you haven't watched that video, dude, go watch the video. The first 5 minutes is it just me like messing around, so skip 5 minutes and then you can hear me talk about the course. Yeah, anyways, dude, I hope I brought up some good points, or cleared up some confusion on how I got my license. But if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to message me on Instagram. Coyote Ben. Oh, fuck, I almost stalled the shit out of my bike, dude. Yeah, until then, man, thank you for watching, dude. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, man, what you want to see on the next MotoVlog. Until then, until the next ni hao, hasta luego.